Hello, hello, hello. It's Dolly. I'm back with Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Leslie, Shannon, Tracy, and myself. And this is our mood board inspiration piece for the month of July. And these are the products that I'm going to use to document these three photographs of my niece on her big wheel bike. And I'm showing you what I have left with my embellishments from my kit, and I've used quite a bit so far, and I'm super proud of myself, and I hope that I don't run out. But I only have one more layout to create after this layout for the month of July. All right, I am using Joyful Day, that's as the main background. That purple paper is from Pink Paisley, and then the black paper is from Bo Bunny Be Beautiful collection. I'm going to fold down the right side corner, but I don't like the opposite side of that pattern with my photographs. So I'm going to use the scrap paper that I have from Bo Bunny, the Be Beautiful collection. So when it folds over, you're going to see that it's kind of a muted black. I mean, it's black, but it's not like a dark, stark black, if that makes sense. And then you'll see the purple from the Pink Paisley paper. All right, since I'm ahead of myself, let me just remind you that I have all the Mini Kit Monday ladies link to their channel listed below, along with our Facebook group. And if you would like to play along, all you have to do is snap a photograph of your mini kit and upload it to July's album. Then snap a photograph of your layouts that you create each week and snap a photograph and upload it to the July album, and you could be entered in to receive a curated mini kit from Daisy this month. So go check out our Facebook group, and the link is listed below. So I am now securing. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to fold down that right corner, and this is not at all a new technique. I haven't done it in a while, and I wish my black scrap paper from the Bo Bunny was a little bit larger, but anyway, we'll deal with it. And so I'm just making sure that's what I want to do, and it is, and I'm getting a little dolly that I've already used part of it in another layout. Then I had some strips of paper, which I normally don't use, the little branding strips, and the colors went quite well. They were just hanging around on my desk. So I went ahead and I'm going to layer them up on the bottom, and that gives an anchor to this layout. So it does help with the flow, visual flow of this layout. And I do use, I think it is spun sugar, and I ink each one of those branding strips, which is 3, and place that there on the bottom. This layout is very simple. I have a simple title. I use sequins. I use some puffy stickers that came with a hip kit. I'm no longer with the hip kit right now. I just wanted to try it out for about 3 months before I went back on a spending freeze, because I had to rebuild up my stash because I have been on spending freezes consistently for about 5 years, and other than I will occasionally get a kit. So anyway, back to my layout. All right, I have a homemade tab that I made a while back, a couple months ago, and again, it was hanging around on my desk, and I thought, I think I can incorporate that on this layout, and I did. And I placed it there on the side. And another thing from my kit, I had these beautiful bright pink brads that I wanted to use this month. And I did place it over there on that tab, but I changed my mind because I want 3 of them to be in the lower left corner of my layout. So I put a white button that's going to get switched out. And here again, you saw me go through my die cuts and do a process of limit, I can't spit out the words, darn it, elimination. There we go. I'm so sorry, guys, but I am not starting this over because I'm at the very end. All right, so I did my little cluster over there to the right. And now I had a title that said exploring, and I liked that idea, but it was blending too much into the layout. So I got out my alphas that I selected for this kit, and I'm using the pink, and I know it kind of blends, but not as much as those other ones that you can see in the upper left there that says exploring. So I have a puffy sticker that you see right now that is like a mint aqua color and the word fun in a navy blue, so it says fun exploring. I will add a little sticker word sentence that says tiny little you. So my title is fun exploring tiny little you. You see me add those brads, and now here comes the sequence, and I add them to the upper right, over to the left of the photograph, and then to the lower left of the photograph. And then I'm going to come back because I felt like it was bare at the top of my layout. So you don't see the process because I thought I was done, and I kept looking at it and said something's missing. So right here, I thought my layout was done, but it's not done. It's not complete. So I come back and add those puffy stickers. It says, here comes the fun, and I use the word love. And now my layout's complete. I have still shots at the end. Again, please get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. Don't forget to put a date, year, who, what, where, when, and do a little bit of journaling, either on the front of your layout or on the back of your layout. All right, and we will see you next time. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to my channel. All right, guys, bye.